Shytoshi Kusama is really unstoppable. Days after days, we keep hearing from him. But today, something truly crazy happened. No one was expecting it. But Shytoshi Kusama finally breaks the silence on something very important. This is what the community was asking about for a long time. And now, we finally got the reply. This is 100 trillion risk, but something that actually might make our dreams come true. But this is just the tip of the iceberg. BlackRock is making new historic records, and Shiba Inu is to benefit the most. But what is actually happening? Well, let me explain. Disclaimer. Shiba Inu has certainly made a powerful entrance into the fourth quarter, showcasing a remarkable surge in on-chain activity. Almost 6 trillion Shiba Inu tokens were transferred between major wallets in the past day, highlighting the growing interest in this token. This high transaction volume, especially with major wallet transfers, shows that big players, like large investors and institutional buyers, are increasingly focused on Shiba Inu. Breaking an October record, this volume suggests that the Shiba Inu ecosystem could be gearing up for significant market movements. But this spike raises a big question. Are we seeing optimistic whales accumulating Shiba Inu, or is this heavy trading part of a strategic sell-off? Well, looking at the price chart, Shiba Inu is currently bouncing between critical levels, with very interesting resistance and support points. If it breaks above resistance, we could see exciting gains, but without fresh buying interest, the token might test its lower support. Today's on-chain data shows an impressive 225 large transactions in the last 24 hours, almost matching the week's peak of 270 on October 29th. This high activity confirms the energy in the ecosystem, but the ultimate price impact remains uncertain until we see if these are bullish buys or bearish sells. With all this in mind, it's within reason to believe that it influenced Shiba Inu some wild fluctuations, facing what many are calling a serious sell wall, directly linked to the heavy transaction activity. Shiba Inu is at a crucial turning point, similar to much of the altcoin world right now. Although we haven't seen some big price swings in the Shiba Inu's price in the last 24 hours, there's still a sense that Shiba Inu could hold steady in the short to mid-term, proving the meme coin's staying power. But it's still a cause for concern. The question is, will this sell wall be the end-all be-all for Shiba Inu's progress? Well, not quite yet. Stability is on the horizon, especially with Bitcoin, which could help calm the market and benefit altcoins like Shiba Inu. As we know, where Bitcoin goes, the rest of the crypto market often follows. Right now, market analyst Ali Martinez is stirring excitement with predictions of a bullish Bitcoin breakout, driven by intriguing historical trends. Martinez points out how Bitcoin's price often surges following U.S. presidential elections, and despite some setbacks earlier this month, Bitcoin has rebounded robustly, gaining 20% since its recent dip. This resilience sends a strong market signal. Crypto assets aren't backing down. Several factors support this renewed strength, including hopes for a Federal Reserve rate cut and increased odds of pro-crypto candidate Donald Trump winning the upcoming election. Now, how does this tie back to Shiba Inu? If Bitcoin surges, it could ease pressure from Shiba Inu's sell wall and spark more interest in the token, potentially fostering the buying strength needed to break through Shiba Inu's resistance levels. So while the sell wall is worth watching, it isn't necessarily a barrier that will stop Shiba Inu, especially with Bitcoin's anticipated rally creating positive momentum. Moreover, BlackRock's very recent involvement is shaking up the crypto landscape, with record inflows into its iShares Bitcoin Trust ETF. This fund saw a staggering $875 million come in just yesterday, marking one of the biggest single-day investments. BlackRock's presence isn't just about investing, it's about setting new records. With over $30 billion in assets in just 290 days, this fund has broken the record for the fastest growth previously held by JP Morgan. This institutional support could serve as a springboard for Shiba Inu, making it more attractive as market confidence expands. BlackRock's interest in crypto confirms that large-scale investors are here to stay, opening doors for new capital to flow in, positioning Shiba Inu to ride this wave of growth. So what comes next? With all these developments, excitement is soaring, prompting speculation on Shiba Inu's best-case scenarios. The talks about a $100 billion valuation started roaming around once again, and hitting $100 billion could trigger a price surge, inching closer to the dream of removing more zeros. With institutional interest and strong community backing, Shiba Inu stands to benefit from this excitement, driving the narrative forward. And while some projections might seem far-fetched, the possibility of Shiba Inu rising and redefining itself as a dominant force in the crypto space feels more tangible than ever. But that's not all. After years of silence, we're finally getting crucial updates on the Treat token. This happened just a couple of hours ago, with Shytoshi Kusama confirming that Treat is still in the works and will soon play a transformative role in the Shiba Inu ecosystem. The conversation began when Simon Dedek, CEO of Moonrock Capital, remarked on how meme coins are evolving into utility-driven tokens. Kusama agreed, noting that tokens like Treat will accelerate this shift by merging their meme appeal with real utility. However, Kusama cautioned that any Treat tokens currently circulating are fake. The official Treat token hasn't launched yet, and he urges investors to be careful. Lucy, Shiba Inu's marketing lead, echoed this warning, advising the community to avoid imitations and join the Treats for Shiba community on X for accurate info. This is a huge bombshell from Shytoshi Kusama, as he was keeping this project in silent mode for quite some time. And now, as we got some updates, the question is following: what will Treat actually bring upon its release? Why should everyone be excited? Well, first of all, it will serve as a reward token for staking on Shiba Swap, adding substantial value for Shiba Inu holders. Plus, Treat will act as the official gas token for Shiba Inu's upcoming Layer 3 privacy blockchain and function as a governance token in Shiba Inu DAO, allowing the community to directly influence the ecosystem's future. On top of that, there's a great chance for Shiba Inu to make a grand entrance into the Metaverse. Just today, the official X account of the Shiba Inu ecosystem reacted to a post from Nero, teasing Metaverse possibilities. Just recently, the Nero team shared a picture of their Shiba Inu mascot in a virtual reality headset, stirring speculation within the crypto community. The Shiba Inu team embraced the Metaverse concept, declaring, "Shiba Inu is ready to conquer the virtual world." Shiba Inu's own initiative, Shiba the Metaverse, promises to be a community-driven, interactive world where holders can buy virtual land, collect in-game rewards, and earn passive income. Just last month, Lucy described Shiba the Metaverse as the ultimate HQ for Shiba Inu holders, designed to foster innovation, collaboration, and community voting. Adding to this cautious optimism, Shiba Inu's unique attributes might help it navigate some broader market volatility. For instance, it sometimes shows divergent price movements from Bitcoin. While this isn't always a good sign, it can work in Shiba Inu's favor, especially when the community rallies around exciting updates. Shibarium, Shiba Inu's Layer 2 scaling solution, is a prime example. Ongoing enhancements have expanded its use cases, particularly around NFTs, boosting Shiba Inu's appeal beyond typical market trends. Increased adoption through initiatives like Shibarium could help stabilize the token long-term, giving it additional utility and increasing community interest. As the Shiba Inu ecosystem continues to evolve, the prospect of a grand entrance into the Metaverse adds another layer of excitement for its passionate community. Yet, with this great news come doubters trying to undermine progress. So here comes the drama. Shytoshi Kusama responded to a tweet that challenged his assertion about Shiba Inu surpassing Bitcoin in value growth. He addressed Nick Tomeno, a Shiba Inu enthusiast, who called Shiba Inu just chump change. Kusama expressed his frustration, noting Shiba Inu's impressive growth since its all-time low in September 2020, boasting an astronomical increase of 30 million%, completely slamming Tomeno's disrespectful retorts with hard evidence of Shiba Inu's unwavering potential. Shytoshi Kusama surely showed him who's boss, and the boss who will rise to the top would be Shiba Inu. Considering all the news from today with BlackRock and sudden Shytoshi Kusama remarks on the internet, the beginning of Moonvember promises to be a very interesting one. But what is your opinion on that? Let us hear your thoughts in the comments. If you are curious to find more, then make sure to click on one of the videos you see on the screen. And with that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, then turn on the notifications bell on this channel. Missing an important Shiba Inu update might make you lose money, so don't risk it. Also, please share this video with as many people as possible. Let's get this news out there.